Hello, beautiful sisters. Welcome back to Sisterland Investors. For those that are new, my name is Elizabeth, and I'm your host for today. I'm a mindset mentor first and foremost. We want to get the mindset right. And then I'm also an investor, not only on consciousness, but in real estate. We're huge in real estate investing, specifically the last couple of years, 9 to 10 years, we've been doing land investing. We help women build wealth through the mind shift mindset and one land deal at a time. The reason why we chose land is because it's a lot more easier than managing tenants, managing contractors, and it's easy way to generate wealth on this side. As a land investor, a mom, mindset mentor, and your biggest cheerleader, welcome to Sister Land Investors. Let's get started on the strategies for you busy women, you busy ladies. I'm so excited. Today's episode is completely dedicated to all these amazing busy women that are trying to maintain a household, raise kids and a family, and at the same time working 9 to 5. Kudos to all of you ladies. You do it all. And this is just something to help you get a nice return of investment. Our communities are busy, bold women like you juggling a million things, from high achievers, multi-millionaires, to investing in real estate and mindset. If you ever feel that there's no time for me to learn how to invest or learn how to increase my returns, this is a place we can just step for you for all you busy moms. Here's the truth, ladies. You can absolutely build wealth through investing. Again, we start with the mindset. Mine's huge. And then we do some land and real estate investing. Even if you're clocking into a 9 to 5, which the majority of you here are, in fact, the job may be your way of funding these deals. They fund a lot of our deals. That's how we funded our first couple of years when we started. We had our 9 to 5 and we would fund our own deals. Okay, ladies, let's dive into how to make land investing simple and tactical for all you busy women. Are you ready? Simple strategies, scalable on your terms. Okay, so you may be asking, why land for busy women? And again, the main reason why we chose land is because we didn't want to manage tenants. We didn't want to be fixing toilets in the middle of the night or manage the contractors that would go out there in the middle of the night. We didn't want to do the rental properties anymore. And so we found another real estate that could give us the same returns, if not more, and not bother us in the middle of the night or while we were on vacation with our family. So land was the perfect relationship for us. No tenants, no 2 a.m. calls, no foundation issues, AC issues, none of that. It's just raw land. That's the beauty of this. Lower acquisition costs than homes or multifamily homes. Don't need contractors or crews. Deals can be done in your spare time from your phone or your laptop. You can do deals in the evening, during lunch breaks, or weekends. Build passive income over time, ladies. Wholesaling is a great way to get started. No need to own your property when you're wholesaling. You just find a deal, assign it to a buyer for a fee, and this is a great way that a lot of our women start investing. So you assign it to a buyer, and this is a great way for a lot of our women who start off investing. We teach them how to wholesale. You find the great deal. We find the buyers. And this is a great way for you in your area to build your buyers list. It's a phenomenal way. Let's give you a quick, let, let's give you a quick example, ladies. You find a lot that's worth a 10,000 under market. You assign it for 13,000. You just made 3,000. The tools you used, Google Maps, Deal Analyzer, Facebook Market, everything from your phone or your laptop or your iPad. Super easy, super quick. Yes, it does take time to do the research, but it's easy. You buy it, you flip it, and you make your commission. Finding undervalue land, buying low and selling a little higher within 90 days to 6 months is great. We women in our group are phenomenal investors. We'll lend you the money on terms. So a lot of the time, saving tips that I like to give our ladies in our group is always go to a title company, no matter how small it is. Trust me, they do all their due diligence, make sure there's no liens in the property. It's fair, that it's clear and it's fair for you and the person that's selling it to you. So it's a win-win for everyone. Most of the deals could be done within maybe 2 to 4 hours a week. Do the research, do the analysis, and the offers, turn around and sell it if you have a buyer's list. It's huge. Another way that a lot of our ladies love to do, which this is my favorite, seller financing. I think seller financing is huge. Once you've done a couple flips, keep a couple properties for yourself and seller finance them. You become the bank. You set the terms, the years, how much, the percentage, and you become the bank. They send you a monthly payment every month. The beauty about it, if they default for whatever reason, which none of them have so far for us, everyone's very good at paying. But if they happen to default in a couple payments, you can take the land back and it increased in value. Why? Because they probably added utilities or cleared it or put up a payment or built something on it that they can't take with them. So you increase the value. For let me give you a quick example. We have one for 40,000 that was worth 40,000. We got tons of calls of people wanting to finance. So I said, okay, let's finance it. They gave me 1,500 down. I finance the rest for 10 years. I get a monthly check and they've been paying on time. The beauty about it is they get no penalties if they decide to pay it off earlier. So like for past Christmas, they got a bonus at work, and guess what? I got a bonus too. They sent me extra cash towards their payment. So it went down. It's a win-win for everyone. They cleared it. They put RV in there that they're living in because they want to build their home. So they've been clearing it little by little on their own. They don't have the money to invest to get a company to come and clear it. So they cleared it. They installed utilities. This is the beauty about this. They already installed utilities. Again, they're living in the RV while they're planning to build their home. So I'm perfectly fine with that. Partnering with other like-minded women, ladies, doesn't just up-level your mindset. We cheer each other on. You have to cheer each other on. This is the way we grow. By helping others grow, you grow as well. And we want everyone here to grow because if I could do it, anyone could do it. And I'm busy with the kids, running my business on the side, running my family, my household, raising kids, venturing with other investors on investing in their joint ventures. I absolutely love that. And creating this whole thing for you ladies has been my dream, to give back and teaching ladies just like I was 10 years ago, not knowing where to go, where to turn, who to ask. Creating this community for every single one of you has been a huge dream. I wish I had that. Partnering with women, one could do marketing. That's been my sister and I. Let's do this for marketing. Let's do this for investing. We find investors. We help each other. We've now grown into friends and family. Again, having the trust, the resources, the knowledge, the experience. We've had a lot of downs. I'm not going to say everything's rosy and peachy, but the downs and learning from those and teaching you ladies has been a huge game changer. Small little deals you could do with us or other ladies in our community. You could grow your relationships, strengthen those relationships, and grow your return of investments all at the same time. So don't wait, don't say next year, maybe next year. You need to get started, at least building those relationships now. Systems for time-starved women. I know a lot of you women are low in time. Your whole day is like booked from 9 to 9. And it's like, what do I do? How do I do it? I automatically tell all my ladies to find a virtual assistant. We work with a couple, outsourced a couple of our VAs to our community. And I highly recommend for you to start talking about what you're doing so you could get help on what you're doing. Scraping data, mailers, responding to your calls or emails or texts, all that could save you tons of time if you have someone to help you. Automate the payments, collecting the payments. All those are resources that you don't have to do on your own, but you can set up the systems to help you run your land investing business smoothly. So you want to start off by wanting this to do land investing if you want a return of investment. And then you want to set up your criteria. You want to set up your criteria on what is it that you're looking for? How many hours outside a major city? How many acres? What's the amount of money you're willing to put out? The time blocking. I'll give you an example. For us, Mondays is we do research on new counties. We do research on new cities. We do research on all this, on what's going on in this area. And then we say, okay, let's go into this area. Once we decide to go into the area, we send at least 20 to 50 offers for that week on that area. But you have to know that. And it's important for you to have an idea of where you want. And I always tell my ladies to start in their backyard. If you're in Texas, start in Texas. If you're in Tennessee, start in Tennessee. If you're in Florida, start in Florida. Wherever you are, start right there. If you're overseas and you have family in a certain state, have them help you. Let them go out and see the land, or pay someone that you knew from high school to have their kids to go drive out there and take some pictures. It's beautiful to start where you know people because they can help you, or they know someone that could help you. Sisters, you do not need to quit your 9 to 5. I know a lot of you may want to, but a lot of you love it. I talk to a lot of ladies that are dentists, nurses, doctors that love their job. They're passionate, but they don't like their return of investments, or they lost it because of the market. So we're here to tell you real estate is a safe place. It'll go up in value over time. Hold on to it or turn around and flip it. You have to build the belief that you can do it, and we help you with that, ladies. This is my biggest forte, the self-belief, the confidence, and knowing that we can, and then pour it out to what you're doing, which is land investing. Land is a quiet wealth builder. No one needs to know. Nobody has to know what you're buying and selling. You do it on the side and start investing it for your family. If you're a visionary who turns overlooked pieces of dirt into wealth, this is it for you. It's huge, it's beautiful. And again, you don't have to do many. Do 2 or 3 a year and you're set. You're good. It's something that'll give you a nice return, extra income, and yes, your freedom, which I absolutely love. I have no price for my freedom. I like to do what I love to do, when I love to do it, with whom I love to do it. That's ultimate freedom for me. That's ultimate wealth for me. So make sure, ladies, that you join us today. Don't wait on our land investing apprenticeship. Sign up. The link should be below. DM us. If you have any questions, we have monthly meetings for all you ladies to come in, ask your questions, bounce ideas. I mean, our ladies have been bold, determined, eager to learn, and I know you're one of them, and you're ready to move forward. And we love you, and we're here for you. Take care. We'll see you next time. Bye bye, ladies.